Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to delete permanent apps on your iPhone and get free up space. So let's start the video without wasting time. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. So let's start. Firstly, I'm delete one app to show you trial. So delete this plant ID and care app, remove app, tap on delete plant ID and care, so tap on delete. So your app is deleted from home screen. So open App Store and tap on ID logo top on the corner. So you can see here apps option. Tap on apps. Wait a few seconds. So friends, you can see here deleted apps here. So I want to delete all these apps from here and free up space. So tap on not on this iPhone. So tap one by one app and tap on hide. So this app is clear from here. And second one, and clear one by one all the apps from here. So friends, you can see here no apps now. All your apps are on this iPhone already. So tap on done and go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to delete permanent apps from iPhone device. If the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.